Welcome to Cocker City, Kansas, currently home to the world's biggest ball of twine in the United States. Frank Stober created a ball that had 1.6 million feet of twine with an 11-foot diameter when he died in 1974. The city built an open-air gazebo over the ball. Every August, a twine-a-thon is held and more twine is added to the ball. August 2014, the ball measures 41.42 feet in circumference, 8.06 feet in diameter, and 10.83 feet in height, and is still growing.
So it was at one time. It's not anymore.
This is bigger. This is the biggest. Minnesota was. Where did they read that? He surpassed it.
Oh, good. Are they still adding to it?
Yeah. It says you can add it. You have to. It has to be actual twine. Don't add nylon or cotton string. Yeah.
Here's a little fun fact. Weird Al Yankovic's album UHF, Original Motion Picture Soundtrack and Other Stuff, has a song called The Biggest Ball of Twine in Minnesota. Although ostensibly about the ball in Darwin, Minnesota, Yankovic takes artistic license with the statistics.
Okay, watch your step. There is a barbed wire